guys, good morning. I'm Mehak and I'm here at the IDP IELTS Computer Delivered Center in Pune. And today I'm just going to talk about my experience. I just completed my IELTS test and I'm going to talk to you guys about how it is perfectly and completely safe to step out of your houses and go to your nearest IDP IELTS center to complete your test. All kinds of COVID-19 regulations have been followed at the test center, be it sanitizing the computer system right before the test and after the test in every shift. The invigilators and staff members here have followed the proper procedure with the thermostat and checking the temperature, and have worn masks and gloves for our safety. So I would highly recommend that if you still have IELTS pending, you can go to your nearest computer delivered test center. It is very safe, and you're almost at no risk of the COVID-19 infection. And you're also not allowed to enter the test center if you're not